If your games started stuttering after the NVIDIA driver update, it's the old driver-side data, making the new update behave messy. And no, we're not doing one of those guides where someone deletes one random folder and says your game is fixed forever. Yeah, no. I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA update stutters properly and make the driver behave clean again for smoother gameplay and better FPS stability. Let's get started. Before we start fixing anything, look at this benchmark. After applying the shader cache optimization I'm going to show in this video, average FPS went from 193 to 419. 1% lows improved from 126 to 281. And render latency dropped from 9.8 milliseconds to 4.7 milliseconds. But the biggest difference is the smoothness. Fewer shader stutters, cleaner frame pacing, better 1% lows, and much lower latency after the NVIDIA update. Now, let's start with the first step. So guys, first, open NVIDIA App. Go to Graphics. Now open Global Settings. Find Shader Cache Size. Set it to Disabled. We're disabling it temporarily because we don't want NVIDIA using or rebuilding old cache files while we're cleaning them. Shader cache is normally useful, but after a driver update, old cached shaders can become messy or outdated. That's when games can start stuttering even though your FPS settings are exactly the same. So for now, disable Shader Cache Size. Then close NVIDIA App. Now guys, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type %localappdata%. Then press Enter. This opens your local app data folder, where NVIDIA stores cached graphics files. Now find the NVIDIA folder and open it. Inside this folder, open DX Cache. Select all files inside DX Cache and delete them. DX Cache stores DirectX shader cache files created by the NVIDIA driver. A lot of games use DirectX, so if this folder contains old or corrupted shader files after a driver update, you can get stutters, frame drops, and bad frame pacing. If some files don't delete, don't panic. That just means something is using them in the background, so skip those files and delete the rest. Now go back and open GL Cache. Again, select everything inside this folder and delete it. GL Cache stores OpenGL-related NVIDIA cache files. Even if your main game doesn't use OpenGL, clearing this folder helps remove old NVIDIA graphics cache data and gives the driver a cleaner start. Now go back to local app data. If you see a folder called D3D Cache, open it. Delete the files inside that folder as well. D3D Cache stores direct 3D shader cache data used by Windows and games. Clearing this helps remove old DirectX shader files that may still be sitting outside the NVIDIA folder. Now guys, open NVIDIA App again. Go to Graphics. Open Global Settings. Find Shader Cache Size again. Set it to Driver Default. This is important. We only disabled shader cache temporarily so we could clear old files. For normal gaming, shader cache should stay enabled because it helps the driver store compiled shaders and reduce repeated shader compilation stutters. Driver default is the safest option because NVIDIA controls the correct cache behavior based on your current driver. Now find Automatic Shader Compilation. Turn it on. This allows NVIDIA App to compile shaders automatically when needed. Instead of waiting until the game is running and suddenly building shaders during gameplay, NVIDIA can prepare them earlier and reduce first load stutters. Now you will see here System Utilization. Set it to Medium. This controls how much system power NVIDIA uses for shader compilation. Low can make compilation slower. High can make your PC feel heavier while it's working. Medium is a good balance because it gives shader compilation enough resources without making Windows feel overloaded. Now, click the three dots near the shader section. You'll see an option called Compile Now. Click Compile Now. This tells NVIDIA App to start compiling shaders right now instead of waiting until you open the game. This is the main part of the fix. After clearing old shader files, we want NVIDIA to rebuild fresh shader data properly so your next game launch has fewer shader-related stutters. Let it finish. While it's compiling, don't open a heavy game or start recording immediately. Just let NVIDIA App complete the process. Now guys, open Windows Search and type Registry Editor. Right-click Registry Editor and run it as administrator. Now paste this path into the address bar. Press Enter. On the right side, find State Flags 0001. If you don't see it, right-click on the empty space, go to New, then select DWORD 32-bit value. Name it State Flags 0001. Now double-click it. Set the value data to 0. Keep base on hexadecimal. Click OK. This makes sure DirectX Shader Cache is not selected for automatic cleanup through this cleanup profile. And this is important because after we clear the broken shader cache manually, we don't want Windows cleanup behavior deleting the fresh cache again and forcing games to rebuild shaders over and over. Shader cache should be cleared when it's broken, after a driver update, or when a game starts stuttering badly, not randomly every time Windows runs cleanup. Now restart your PC once. After restarting, open your game and test it normally. The first launch may still have a few small stutters because some game-specific shaders may rebuild again. That's normal. And that's it, guys. That's how to fix low FPS and stutters after an NVIDIA update by properly clearing and optimizing shader cache. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and watch the playlist on screen for more real NVIDIA and Windows optimization guides.